All right, guys, Greg here. Just wanted to go through the market and see what kind of bloodbath we're going on. The first thing that I'm going to say is that I was in one of the other chats. I'm not going to say which one, but they're in there buying the dip. Do yourself a favor and don't buy this dip. Don't buy this dip unless you really know what you're doing when it comes to trading assets. But my recommendation, if you're like a long-term hodler on your cryptocurrency, don't buy this dip. This is going to go a lot lower. You're going to have the real dip. It's going to take maybe 30 or 60 days. You're going to have the real dip coming up. So don't buy the dip. That's just my recommendation, not financial advice, guys. But I think, you know, people are going to see this and they're just going to think that this is a great buy and hoping that it's going to go up on another rally. And, you know, there's that possibility. It could do that. But I don't think so. I don't think so. I think it's done. I mean, this leg right here, it's already retraced 0.786 of this leg. And it's going to be working on 90% here soon. So you know what that means out of this leg? You couldn't even, you know, what are you going to call this? A 1-2 with a deep retracement and it's going to go bullish? I mean, come on, that's not going to work, guys. It's not going to work. I'm telling you. Once to me, it was blew past this 0.618. I was like, okay, I'm like 80% sure that X wave is in, and now it's past the 0.786 retracement level of this whole leg right here. Yeah, it's done. You know, it took out all the RSI. Look at all the RSI that it, yeah. So it's like, what is this over here? 20, it's going to take that out. So yeah, it's going to slow down. I will say it's going to, eventually it's going to start slowing down a little bit and it will bounce. And this is going to be a good place to enter your shorts on BTC. Let it bounce, enter your shorts. I would not be entering shorts right now. It's too much risk. You know, Ethereum's the same thing as Bitcoin. It's going to be going down. Solana is getting smashed. There is a little bit of divergence right there, but it could take that out and keep falling lower. Look at the, yeah, see the retracement on Solana. It's almost going to be in the 0.786. So Solana is bearish. HarmonyOne is, what is it doing? Look at that. Yeah, HarmonyOne, I had targets for HarmonyOne from 8 cents to 10 cents. It's easily going to get down there now because this is just, it's going to be an A wave. It'll bounce on a B wave. And it might actually even break those targets of like maybe 7 cents. Near Protocol, one of the stronger ones of the mix of the cryptocurrencies. It's just taking its time working its way down on that third wave, guys. So it might be doing a diagonal. That could be in. It might show some strength. It could be doing like a diagonal type move. Kusama is going down, way down. That's not an ABC. This is like a third. It's going to be in a third now. So, yeah, it'd be coming to its end on that third right there. Bounce on a fourth, back down for a fifth. Everything. This is an ugly day, guys. It's ugly. Phantom. Yeah. Okay. When Phantom bounces, whenever it completes, it does a bounce. This will be a good trade. So maybe it'll bounce back up to $1.20 or something, and then you can take that down. Depending on how deep BTC goes, this is the minimum target, like about 73 to 80 cents or something like that. Dot's extended, and it's going down. It's got divergence right there. So it's what, 2, 3, 4, extended fifth wave. Could be at the end. Could be at the end. This wave. Maybe. If it takes that out, it's going to extend even more. Luna. Luna was the one. Let's see here. Yeah, Luna's coming down at the end of this third right here. Coming down the end of the that one. That was my first initial target. So Luna's going to do this, a bounce. And then it's going to come back down even farther. 60s, probably 60s, something like that would be my guess, somewhere in that area. I would not do any long trades from now on either, guys. No long trades. unless you really know what you're doing. I would not even do it. I would not do it. Like this right here, for example, you know, you see the bullish divergence right here. And then, you know, the bullish divergence, people are like, oh, look at that bullish dude, long trade. No, no, no. This scenario with these cryptocurrencies right now, it could take that out. That becomes a third and it keeps falling. Not saying that it will, but that could happen. The other coins, let's see. Yeah, Hex making its way down. Oh, I said it couldn't take out that divergence. It might take it out too. Hex could fall. It's going to depend on how bad how many Hexicans lie to their friends and say, oh yeah, you got to buy Hex, you got to buy Hex. And those are the same guys that are selling their Hex because they don't want to lose any more money. You know how that game's played, right, guys? You know, you tell your buddies to buy Hex while you sell it. You know, they're exit liquidity for them, right? Let's see, what the dollar is still trying to work on. Yeah, it's the dollar. I'm still expecting maybe a little minor correction or something on the dollar to come up. And that's probably when you have that bounce on the other assets. Yeah, RUNE is just really low, you know. It should be coming to an end pretty soon. Yeah, RUNE's wow, RUNE's really done a correction, hasn't it? It's already 42%. Already 42%, guys. This is one of the coins right here. When I initially was, everybody was, you know, all in arms about RUNE. And I said, look, guys, here's the deal. For this to be bullish, it has this third wave. It has to come down and complete that fifth wave. And it didn't do it. So this is an A, B, C. And it turned its next wave. That's why I never went into it. I said, okay, let me see if it goes bullish and do a retrace, and it didn't do it. So, you know, I mean, if you got down, he got lucky and got down here and entered into that, you know, just looking at these types of moves, you know, you can't enter in, you know, I've done that, you know, I did it with Phantom on something that was a correction and it had a really good run up. But I'll be straight with you guys. It's a little bit of luck. There's a lot of luck because you really don't know what the run up, how big of a correction is going to go up. It's not bullish, it's bearish, and you got in on a bullish move in a bear cycle. It's lucky, a lot of it. This is AAVE. I went over AAVE and it's still looks like it might be coming down to its to maybe some sort of fifth. So this is like it's you want to stay with, if you're long, you want to stay away from this coin. So it might be in, that was a third, that was a fourth, that was a fifth, and then it's going to come down like that, wherever that stops. It could make another one, and then it'll have a little bit more, and then it's going to come back down like that. This is a coin right now to avoid for longs. All right, guys, that's the end of it. I just want to go over Bitcoin real quick. You know, it's dumping pretty bad. It's pretty obvious that I think at this point you can say that the X wave's in. It's just now the only thing you can do. It's too late for shorts, and you certainly do not go long. Don't buy this dip. I'm telling you, don't buy this dip unless you know what you really are doing. If you buy this dip, you know, it might go up. Just realize it's going to swing back down. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Peace.